So let's look at South African rand and see if we can find any opportunity. USD ZAR, Xavier first hub, USD ZAR. So first of all, we want to see our floor. We have another structure here which we want to take note of. This is a strong structure where we have support structure, break of a support structure, retest, and break of a supply with price returns on demand one and on demand two. So we like this structure, we want to keep it. So this is what we see here, and USD looks ready for the uptick. So dear South Africans, it's okay for you to see that your price, your currency is about to go up. It's about to exchange higher against US dollars. In coming months, you begin to see a higher exchange rate against USD. This is what we see here. And this is what we see. South African round is about to go. It's about to lose some value following the rejection at this level. You can see the weekly candle rejected this level. And as a result of that, South African rand might be pushing up from $17 per rand to about 22 based on the structure. Very strong economy. So we also look at it again from the roof. Now we've got our floor. We're looking at our roof to see what will happen to South African rand since it rejected the floor. The USD got strong at the floor, and then South African rand is about to go exchange for higher USD based on the structure of the market. It's based on the structure of the market. It's about to exchange higher. So we have here demand, support structure, support structure, and support structure. So these are demand floor. On the top, we have our supply roof, resistance structure, resistance structure, and resistance structure. So our buy confirmation is price respecting this break of structure where we have support structure, break of support structure, retest, break of resistance structure, retest one, retest two, finally price respected and it's going up. And the week closed in a strong rejection to demand floor. So USDs are is going up. It's a demand floor. It's our demand floor. All our demand floor. And these are supply roof. These are supply roof. So USs might experience a push from $17 found support structure. Exchange might continue to extend. In a worst case scenario, we see it moving up to touch the roof again. So the supply roof is open and we have one or two litmus tests. A breakout from a descending trend line will be on the watch. We want to see price breakout from a descending trend line. This is a descending trend line. This descending trend line will be on the watch, where a breakout from this descending trend line will further expose price with a stronger buy confirmation. If price breaks this structure, then we are ready to go back to see South African rand exchanging one rand per $24. It is structure, and this is not it's not a gimmick. This is money times, money talk between South African rand and United States dollar. This is the exchange rate. This is the rate at which $1 is being exchanged in South Africa. You can see it. So $1 is equal to 18 South African rand. So what will happen here is if this structure is broken, then we'll exchange more. You need more rand to get $1. That is what this thing means. And these are timing. So for people who think this is a play, it's up to you. And it's up to you to think this is a game or some kind of gambling stuff. No, no. You are the one who is misled. You are the one who don't know what you're doing. This is real. This is real. So if you are in South Africa, ask my South African brothers, how much are they exchanging $1 for South African rand? They will tell you this is the value you get. Some people think they tell others what to do. And tell me what to do. And this is a supply roof. Nice supply roof. Very nice one. So I want to see if price can break that roof. If you can break that roof, that's fine. If they can't break the roof, if they manage the economy well, if price gets to this level, it will come down again. And if it comes down this time, it will break a demand floor, meaning the South African economy is setting itself on a stronger footnote to crush US dollars. I don't see this possible. It is completely impossible. But nothing is impossible in the financial times. Here we have a support structure where price can likely fund demand. We have a clean break of structure at that level. The resistance structure, break of a resistance structure, retest becomes a new demand floor. So I know South Africans are very prudent in managing the economy. They have held firmly against US dollars. I know they will try their best, but Dollar is about to get stronger on a global scale. So this is USDZAR. I will stop here. So for USDZAR, buy. USDZAR, buy. Look for 30 minutes, look for 1 hour, look for 4 hours, buy USDZAR. Close of the week, close rejecting the floor, a sign of uptick. So we begin to see USDZAR, buy. That's what we see for USDZAR. We have another structure here. Let's see what this structure means. Support structure, support structure, break out of a support structure. Nice one. I like that structure. I wasn't thinking of it, but when I saw it, got my attention. That's a nice structure there. That's a nice structure. So what it means is that if price breaks out from this structure, from the roof, if it breaks out from the supply roof, there is a higher probability that South African rand will find resistance at this level. A very high probability that South African rand will find resistance at this level. That is a very high probability.